Hey, welcome back for another Wildcat episode. What I'm going to be doing today, it was something that was on my list to do, but it kind of got away on me, and we'll show you here. So, bent radius. It wasn't as bent before, but I did take it out after I put the stator in, and that stator worked really awesome. Kind of rode up and down quite hard, and kind of got a little bit more bent. So what I have gone with, couldn't afford a whole set, but I've gone and got the what are they? Here we go. Let's just get this out. It's the HighLifter lower radius for the Wildcat, and that, so I should keep them a little bit clearer. Let's see what it's out. There. No, this is the other way. But yeah, as you can see, it clears. It stays a little higher, so, and way thicker. So, no, let's see if we can get those in. Again, looks simple, but we'll see how well she goes. So yeah, I'll break it out. We'll assemble these, I think, first, and then start taking out the old ones and replace them. Okay, so that's pretty much what they give you. 2 radius arms, all the hardware. I'd say it breaks it down pretty good. And kind of really goes, but pretty much step by step they show you there. So how to set it up. So yeah, let's assemble these, and then yeah, let's say we'll take out the old ones, put in these. So we've already run into a problem here. The larger nuts, lock nuts they've sent us, they've got a coarse thread. These are fine. I might run down to Home Depot here and just see if I can pick up ones I can get to fit there. Kind of annoying. Yeah, okay, we'll go down, see if we can get something to fit that. Okay, so the only ones I could get, got it from Lorca, were Nylox. They're a little thicker, 8 by 1/4 inch. So depending on where you have to tighten it back to, or how long these have to be, hopefully we've got enough room here to tighten those down. And that, I tried putting them on the other way, but it's hard to get past the Nylox to screw on first, so got it that way right now, so hopefully this works there, but see how that goes. So pretty much now we'll get the old ones off, and can't really use that one. I'll use the distance. You've got to measure from eyelet to eyelet off the old one and then set these up. So I'll use the good one there and set it up. So yeah, with that being so thick, the closest I can get, I'm about 1/4 inch out from the original length of the other radius, the old radius arms. So let's see how it fits. Put it in. Okay, that's one. The wheel back on, let it down, and get to the other side. Kind of just assumed which was left and which was right. I mean, they are kind of numbered different, but I don't think there's anywhere in the instructions here that which tells you which one is which. But easily sorted. Yeah. Wheel back on, get this other one in and done. Yeah, we'll just give you the shot of what the two look like. It's difference in clearance. And just size of the radius bar too, just a lot stronger, I guess, there too. Oh, get the other side jacked up. That's it. Looks a bit healthier. Better than she was. They do give you a bunch of decals too. We'll just tell you that as well. Put them all over you. Side by side. There's one they last in there. No, pretty easy install. Just the only screw up was those locking nuts. Let's go past. This is something nice here. But no, in the end it just kind of made me about a half inch, quarter inch longer in the adjustment to the old ones. Seems to sit not too bad, so hopefully that'll work for us. I noticed, so when I took it out last time, the original problem with this, quick note, was that this all burnt out, and that was with the original muffler. Now I've got the aftermarket guy here. Yeah, there's just no heat shield or anything in there. Like I say, the original factory exhaust did have a heat shield, but it's still melted out. You still got plastic there. So the idea is to stick some of this fiberglass heat shield in there. So I'll get that put in at some point before I go out next. But for now, I'm grabbing a beer, heading to the lake, enjoying the rest of my day. Hope you are too. And we'll catch you next time. Hopefully this helps.